Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am coming to you guys with the everyday makeup tutorial. This tutorial is very beginner friendly, so if you're just starting makeup and you want to learn some tips and tricks to have your makeup look cute and something that's easy and simple, stay tuned for more. So for me, I always start with my eyebrows first, and what I'm using to shade in my eyebrows is my e.l.f. Duo pencil in the color dark brown. I haven't had my eyebrows done in a couple of weeks because I'm in the process of finding a new eyebrow lady, so don't mind how they look in this video. So once I finish shading my eyebrows in, I'm going in with my MAC concealer just to give, my eyebrows a more precise look and clean them up a bit. Always make sure you blend out your eyebrows, and I have an eyebrow tutorial on my channel, so check that out, and that will also be in the description box below. As my foundation, I'm going in with my MAC Matchmaster Foundation in the color 9. I love this foundation, you guys. It gives you the perfect coverage and leaves you with a matte finish, and I stand by this foundation. I love it. I love it. Go in with that blender and blend it out, girl. And you guys, the brush that I was using before to blend out my foundation was a Juvia's Place brush, and they have very great brushes, so go ahead and check them out too. So now I'm going in with my NARS concealer just to get my under eye and the areas I want to highlight on my face, my chin, some dark areas, my nose, forehead. Conceal it out, girl. So I'm gonna go in with my other blender, and I am going to blend that out. So what I'm using, the powder that I'm using to set my face is my Airspun loose face powder. I rarely use this powder. I usually use Sasha Buttercup. And I really like this powder because it's very affordable. You can get it at like Walmart or Walgreens for, I believe, like $4 or $5. I forgot how much I paid for mine, but I believe it was around like $4 or $5. And it doesn't give you that, ghostly look, and it's like the perfect translucent powder. So I apply a thin amount over the concealer, and now I'm going in with my eyeliner. And I believe I got that eyeliner from the beauty supply store, so yeah, nothing too expensive. So for my eyeshadow base, I am using, I believe this is my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toast, and I'm just going to use that for my eyeshadow base. And I used the powder to set that, but I didn't show it in the video. Now for my eyes, I am going in on my Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place. And I'm going in the color Zulu, and I'm going to put that color under my brow bone and blend it in towards my inner eye a little bit. Then mostly on my outer eye. Now I will be going into the color Daya, and I'm going to be placing that on my lower lid and kind of towards the inner corner of my lid. So now what I'm doing is I'm going back in with Zulu, and I'm going to blend Daya into Zulu just so, you know, the colors blend in together and it's more of a cohesive look. Now I'm going in with my Loreal Mascara. I normally don't wear mascara like that, but I decided to wear it in this look just so my eyelashes can really pop once I put my false lashes on. And I know some people will put their put mascara on their false lashes, but I don't, because it makes it harder to clean off my lashes when I reuse them again, and I don't want the hairs to be like, you know, all clumped together and everything. So I just put them on my real lashes so it's easier to wash, you know, easier to clean the mascara off my real lashes rather than false lashes. And for my bottom lashes, I'm going in with my Lancome Mascara just because it's a smaller applicator and I can really get to the bottom, my bottom lashes easier. To highlight, I'm going to use my True Complexion contour palette from Black Radiance. And I really like this palette because it gives you a very natural highlight, nothing too dramatic, just something for an everyday look. Now I'm setting my face with my NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. And now I'm going in with my NYX Club Hopper Lip Liner, which is one of my favorite lip liners from NYX. And then I'm just going to put a clear gloss over that and kind of blend it in a little bit. Now for lashes, I'm going to be using my Duo Glue. And I kind of forgot what lashes I use. I think they were the Eyelure lashes that I use from Target. Yeah, I think I'll link them below. Well, I'll write them below in the description box what eyelashes I used. And this is the final look, guys. Yeah, I was really feeling myself. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want some more makeup tutorials from me. And I will see you guys in the next one, dolls. Take care. Bye-bye. For $25?
You can't beat it with the bats. You cannot beat it with the bat.
What I used to